I am Ximena, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Mexico City. Today, I'm going to show you how to use service control policies or SCPs and tag policies to restrict users in your AWS Organizations members' accounts from creating resources without compliant tags. Let's get started. First, let's create a tag policy to enforce standardized tags on supported AWS resources across your member accounts. After you log into the AWS Management Console, navigate to AWS Organizations Console. In the navigation pane, choose Policies. Before you add the tag policies, you must first enable them in your organization. In the supported policies types table, choose tag policies and then choose Enable tag policies. Note that the tag policies are available only in organizations that have all features enabled, not just consolidated billing features. In the Tag Policies section, choose Create Policy. Enter a policy name and description. In the Policy Visual Editor, we'll define the allowed tag keys and values. Enter Tag Key. Environment. In the Basic Compliance Rules, choose Capitalization. Select Allow Values and then choose Specify Values. Enter the allowed values. Next, save changes. In the Resource Types Enforcement, choose Prevent Not Compliant Operations for this tag. Then, in the drop-down menu, choose EC2 Instance. For example, to allow users to set the environment tag with the pre-prod and production values only on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instances, you can use this policy. This policy doesn't allow users to set non-compliant tag values such as development or change the tag key capitalization. Finally, choose Create Policy. You can see the policy in the Available Policies table. Next, we'll create an SCP to make sure that the required tags exist during resource creation. In the navigation pane, choose Policies again. First, choose Service Control Policies in the Supported Policies Types table. Then choose Enable Service Control Policies. Choose Create Policy. Enter a policy name and description. In the Policy Editor, delete all the content and add this policy. This policy doesn't allow users to delete the environment tag from EC2 instances, but still allow users to manage other tags. The policy also doesn't allow users to create new instances unless they include the environment tag during the instance creation process. Next, choose Create Policy. Finally, attach the tag policy and SCP to your organization's root or member accounts. In the navigation pane, choose AWS Account. Select the account and then choose Policies tab. Under the Service Control Policies section, choose Attach. Select the SCP that you created. For the tag policy, remain in the same account view. In the Tag Policy section, choose Attach. Finally, select the tag policy from the policy list. Now, let's test our policies in one of the member accounts of the organization to make sure that the policies work. From the AWS Management Console, navigate to the EC2 console. Choose Launch Instance. Configure your instance settings without add tags. You'll see an instance launch fail error. Next, let's try to launch with an incorrect tag value. Choose Launch Instance. In the Add Tag section, add a tag, Environment, Development as a value, and then choose Launch Instance again. You'll receive this error. The tag policy does not allow the specified value for the following tag key environment. Now let's launch with compliant tags. Choose Launch Instance, add a tag, key environment, value prep-prod, choose Launch Instance again. This time the launch succeeds. Finally, let's test the tag management on our compliant instance. Select your running instance on the EC2 console. Choose Tags tab. Choose Manage Tags. Try to remove the environment tag. You will receive an error preventing the deletion. So now you know how to use service control policies and tag policies to restrict users in your AWS Organizations member accounts from creating resources without compliant tags. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.